Wavin Hangers feature for Revit. We'd like to present you the Wavin Hangers feature for Revit. This tool will allow you to place brackets in the blink of an eye. Before you use the Wavin Hangers feature, please remember that you need to download the relevant Wavin package from your local Wavin website and copy it into your own project. This process is explained in a separate tutorial available on the Wavin BIM channel. Load hangers. Simply put, we need to copy the brackets and schedules into the project file. The Wavin Hangers tool will only work with Wavin families. Configuration. Before you use the Hangers feature, it's a good idea to check the configuration. Go to the Wavin tab and scroll down to the Hangers icon, then select Hanger Configuration. You will find the following settings to define. Bracket family to insert, unit system in your project, component categories in which the hangers can attach to. When your project has no architectural components, you can attach brackets to selected levels. Distance range. You can specify the minimum and maximum distance between the MEP curve, pipe, duct, conduit, and a solid component or level. When the MEP curve is out of the specified distance, the bracket will not be inserted. Pipe end offset defines how far from the pipe end your first bracket will be placed. It's necessary to avoid inserting hangers that clash with sockets or other components. Now, it's time for spacing. You will be able to select various spacing methods. Auto. This ensures the brackets are spaced on the MEP curve diameter and its own position, horizontal or vertical. The pre-configured Wavin table cannot be modified, and you can use it as a default. However, if you want to modify distances yourselves, push the Add button and make a copy of previous table. Now you can add or modify diameters and define distances. Equal spacing method describes the number of hangers on the MEP curve. For example, every curve will get 5 brackets regardless of the pipe diameter and length of the pipe. Defined by user method allows you to specify the same distance between brackets regardless of the pipe diameter. In most cases, it's recommended to use the auto method. Place hangers. Select the part of the installation where you want to insert brackets. Go to the Wavin tab and select the Hangers button. On the window, you can select and preview the current configuration. To present possible ways of working, we will redefine the default options and add a new configuration for horizontal pipes. In the current case, we want to attach our installation to floors only. When the configuration is ready, we'll confirm and push the OK button on the main window. When the hangers insertion is done, you will get a hangers report. This report will help you identify the elements where you need to make corrections or ignore specific issues after reviewing. Now, we will insert the brackets for the rest of the horizontal installation. It's time for the vertical stack and a new vertical configuration. This time, we will use the double clamp option and change the Attach To category. We will select Walls Only. The rest of the options will remain the same as in the previous configuration. Additionally, we can fix other issues using the Hangers plugin to avoid any manual revisions. All brackets are inserted extremely fast, and the process is simple. Reverse hangers. When your installation is ready, you still have some options to modify. For instance, you can reverse the hanger position on the pipe if required. Scroll down to the Hangers button and push Reverse Hangers. This option is commonly used when the pipes have no slope. Auto hangers. Brackets can be recalculated in the background during the designing process. Activate the Auto Hangers option. Now, when you move your installation, the hanger positions and rod lengths will recalculate automatically to the configuration used previously. Single hanger modification. Due to specific scenarios in your project, occasionally you may have to modify a single hanger position. Thanks to our families, this is an easy task. You can extend the rod length using the arrows or by modifying the parameters, mounting distance, and drill depth. You can straighten the rod using the reverse rod slope to achieve better visual effects, should you wish. You can also move the hanger if required. The bracket is fixed to the pipe, so an easy task. Schedules and finish. When your system is finished, all the information on the brackets can be found in the predefined schedule, providing that they have been copied into your project from the original package. The schedule contains quantities of brackets and rod or the threaded element lengths necessary to order. Now your pipework system is complete. Thanks for watching. Make sure you watch the rest of the Wavin tips and tricks tutorials available on our dedicated BIM channel.